Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the U-Need hardware. This is their part number HN006. This is a number 2 house number. This is made of solid brass. And this video is to really serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the item. They obviously have all 10 numerals available. 10? Maybe 9. I don't know if 6 and 9 are flipped over. But anyway, I don't know if the manufacturing is different for either of those. You'll order them accordingly, and what they ship will be what they ship. But this is solid brass, and it's actually, to the trained eye, it's quite clearly solid brass. You get that very warm feeling when you look at solid brass versus, right in there, very warm sensation when you look at something made of solid brass versus something that's plated steel or plated zinc or anything plated. When it's the base material that has just been worked, this will have a lacquer on it as well. It looks noticeably different than something that's not. A far more elegant, rich sort of look. Definitely made of solid brass. The screws that it comes with, however, are not. And that's not a negative thing necessarily, because screws made of brass are obviously quite soft, and a lot of clients will get a surprise when they put their screwdriver, they're turning and turning and turning, and then they shear it right off, shear that screw right in half, and screws like that are hard to come by. So it's generally considered industry standard practice to supply a screw when you're dealing with something of this nature. That would be of a steel base. If you're dealing with an $800 mortise lock from Baldwin, yeah, you're going to have brass screws. That hardware is going to be far more particular in terms of the base material of all of the components. But just be mindful. They're made of steel, which, will help prevent the possibility of shearing the screw in half. 6-inch size. My tape measure says maybe about 6 1/32. And overall width we can kind of gauge on the camera here. Looks like it's about 3 3/4 maybe. Okay, very elegant sort of look. Now they offer this in different finishes, and let's go over that now. And I think in about 8 different finishes. If you were to search for HN006 in the site, you'll find US3 for solid polished brass, US5 for antique brass, 10B for oil rub bronze, 15 for satin nickel, 15A for antique nickel, 019 for black, 026 for polished chrome, 26D for satin chrome. Those are the 8 finishes that are available. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the U-Need hardware products that we sell, but also a link to their site. And just to take the thickness, it's heavy on 1/4 inch. Okay. When you get to their site, the thing that I think of most typically when it comes to U-Need hardware is they have a very great offering of very long surface bolts. So if you're dealing with an 8-foot, 9-foot, 10-foot tall door, and you're looking for a solid brass surface bolt to go on there, they're a great first stop for that material. It's generally on hand. A couple of different options in terms of the knob that will be available for that, different finishes, and again, generally in stock. Very good price as well. Any questions on the U-Need hardware, HN006 number 2 numeral, or any other U-Need hardware product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.